Distinguishing characteristics of similar summer annual grasses. Two closely related but different species of several summer annual grasses are common in low deserts. In general, these are all easy to distinguish from each other in the field, and they respond similarly to herbicides. Some of these distinguishing characteristics are: watergrass and barnyard grass are similar, but watergrass has purple bands or chevrons on the leaves, and barnyard grass often has awns or bristles at the ends of the spikelets. Both respond the same to herbicides. Red sprangletop and Mexican sprangletop are, in general, red sprangletop is lighter in color and has finer seed heads than Mexican sprangletop, which is darker gray or green and has visibly coarser seed heads. Both form clumps or crowns that often survive through the winter months. Both are fairly tolerant to post and fusillade, but controlled with high rates of select. Field sandbur and southern sandbur are equally miserable weeds and are found in sandy soils and fairly easy to distinguish. Field sandbur has thinner gray-colored leaves and yellowish burrs that are longer than broad. Southern sandbur has darker, broader leaves and fatter red-colored burrs. Southern sandbur has a more compact seed head with distinctly more burrs than does southern sandbur. Both of these are fairly tolerant to post, select, and fusillade. Southwestern cupgrass and prairie cupgrass are similar and fairly easy to distinguish in the field. Southwestern cupgrass has wider leaved grasses, and prairie cupgrass, on the other hand, is thinner and hairy. Southwestern is more branched than prairie, and the ligule is shorter and less prominent. These branches are longer and fewer on prairie than on southwestern cupgrass. Both respond similarly to herbicides. Green and yellow foxtail are typically form clumps, produce lots of seed, and stand more upright than other summer annual grasses. They are not difficult to distinguish in the field. Green has darker greenish or brown seed heads compared to yellow foxtail. The leaves of yellow are generally longer and more bristled, which typically has 3 or less darker colored bristles. Both respond the same to herbicides. Purple and yellow nutgrass are not grasses at all. They're sedges, which are much different than grasses. Sedges all have solid triangular stems. They are perennial and produced primarily by below ground tubers. Purple has larger irregular shaped tubers that are connected by rhizomes and have an almond-like odor, while yellow has pea-sized nutlets and they are round. They are not connected and don't have an odor. Yellow is often taller and has pointed leaves, while purple has blunt-shaped leaves. Thank you.